Hey YouTube, Roy Marko with Roy Marko's Garage coming to you today from my basement, my hobby room, where I do a lot of things for my other channel, Marko Custom Build Models. So sometimes in the winter months, this channel gets more attention than my channel that you're watching right now. But I do have some letters, so mail call today. We've had a crazy last few weeks. It's been minus 30, 27, and that's in Celsius. So I've had it for 3 weeks. It's been just crazy cold. Been getting snow every day or every other day a little bit. Equates to what you see here. I took a little bit of video around my yard here. As you can see, it's just completely covered. Everything's covered. The garage is still okay. Of course, it's heated. I can do things in there. But we've had looks like 10 inches of snow, which works out to about 25 centimeters. So and it still keeps coming down. So anyway, basically what I'm going to do is open up. I've been accumulating letters here. They go right back into 2021, and I'll open them up and do mail call. And then I got a little bit of footage of some parts I picked up from my Pontiac. I'll just show that at the end here. Just some sheet metal and stuff. I got a couple fenders and stuff. I just not really long enough to make its own video. Let's get to opening up the mail, shall we? Rusty Wrenches. Rusty Wrenches, thank you. Let me open this up and see what we got. In the envelope here, we have, thank you for your support, Nick. Thanks, Nick. And Nick sent me a couple of stickers. Check that out. Another YouTuber there, so if you want to check out his channel. Yeah, he's got a lot of great content, so check him out. Thank you, Nick. Next one up here is Arco at Outlaw Edge. And let me just see what I got from... Alright, piece of paper and Outlaw Edge. Check that out. Awesome sticker. Check out his channel. He's got some great content. We'll move on to the next one here. Okay, got another one here from Snyder Classics here. Some stickers here. SC for Snyder's Classics. Got a dragon and another dragon. And also a little note here. Oh, and another Snyder's Classic. It's in behind the, goes behind something like. Thank you for all your support. SnydersClassics.ca, and then of course YouTube.com, and then everything. Love the old cars, Roy. Keep them coming. So thank you very much. Yeah, Magnum Machine Works from Dave at Magnum Machine Works. He's in Calgary, Alberta. So one day we should do probably a collaboration. Hey, Dave. But anyway, we'll see what we can do. Oh, look, he's got some awesome new stickers. They're all reflective in that. Magnum Machine Works. If you like watching, he's really good at fabricating and putting stuff together. And then this is another sticker that goes kind of inside. You won't be able to see it, but it goes on the inside of the window. Let's see what Dave has to say. I actually know Dave for quite a while. We've probably back to his high school days. So yeah, Roy, I really enjoy your videos. I really hope one of these days things can slow down a bit for me, and I can help you pull wrenches or something, or bang out some metal. I'll tell you what, banging out some metal would be good. I can pull the wrenches, but I'm not necessarily the best at doing the sheet metal stuff, because I just don't have the time and sometimes space. I got to get the floors done on my Pontiac and stuff too. So anyway, Dave, I appreciate that. One day we'll get together for sure. Montana Garage. Another letter here. Let's open this up. I apologize. Some of these have been sent to me like a while ago. Obviously, my last mail call I did just before the trip with the Hudson. So, okay, Brad here says thanks for stickers and all the support. I remember sending. I think we sent him some stickers there. So thanks, Brad. That was great. Oh, cool. This is Montana's Garage. He's got this 57 wagon, two-door. It's like the delivery style wagon. Very cool. It's working on that. There's another sticker. There's another sticker. It's shape of the state there, Montana's Garage. Thank you, Brad, for that. And I really enjoy your project too with your 57. That is cool. I mean, obviously, being a Tri-5 guy, I have you know, same interests. So that's really good. Thank you. Got a letter here from 242 AutoWorks. Let's get that open here. Right here, a couple of stickers. There we go, 242 AutoWorks, thank you very much. It's awesome. And also, Turlo's Garage. Turlo's Garage, a couple of stickers, thank you so much. I like the looks of that with the wrench and everything and the gear. Really good sticker. It says here on the back, Roy, thank you for all you do to help the automotive community. Keep putting out great videos. So thank you very much. And that's awesome. There we go. And we got one last one here. I don't know who this is from until I open it up. So well, of course, this is just advertisement. So hey, that's not from anybody important, is it? That's mail call. So we'll have we're gonna go on to the video here. I'll talk about the panels and things I got for my 56 Pontiac Gasser, and I'll probably start working on my transmission for my truck because I can do that in the garage, and even though there's a lot of snow on the ground as you saw there. So we'll just keep it going and keep the videos coming for you. Thanks for your support. I really appreciate 2021. Almost at 4,000 subscribers, and I got something special planned for 4,000 subscribers, so keep your eye out for that. And there's always my other channel at Marko Custom Build Models if you want to check out some of these builds that are on the table here.
Here's one good lens.
Yeah.
The other one is cracked.
Well, we'll just take them off and then so it's not on there, right?
Yeah.
That one good lens. It's not cracked. That's good. That lens for the Pontiac 56. Remember it got rear-ended, so I had one that had a little bit of a... I got another good used lens, but now I have another good lens. So I'll wash that up and I'll put it on the car. And it's been a dead project for a couple of years because I've been just gathering some things and wanting to get to the next step. So 55 has some differences basically in chrome, script, the bird, and these stripes are a little different. But the actual sheet metal hood is good. Now, this car is not going to be exactly correct in the sense it's not going to have every part on. It's going to be 56 only. So I may use these stripes. I may use the 55 brows. I think I like them better than the 56, but it will have the 56 treatment on the side quarter panels. In any case, we'll see how it happens as this project as it goes along. But this was a good deal on a hood, so I got a nicer hood than what I had. If you come over here, this is what I had. Surface rust isn't the issue with this hood. What is the issue though is it has a low spot in here like somebody's been on it and it's oil can. You try and get that out and it's going to be a bit of a job. I also have some rust repair that needed to be done on both corners, and it was quite rough in the center here. So this hood was one option I had. It was a little bit better in the front area and the lack of rust in the corners, although it is bulging here, so that would have to be repaired. But this hood also has a nice big dent here and a huge gouge in this back corner. So I felt it was necessary to acquire that hood. And also when I got there, it came with a couple of rear quarter panels because he had some Pontiac stuff. Another 55 trunk lid, which if you've seen my other videos, we talk about that. The keyhole is in a different location on a Chevrolet hood. This being a Canadian Pontiac, the Chevy trunk decks do fit, and the trunk deck has a different key location. This GM one is, the Chevy one is up here. Now, if you remember, I did pick up another deck lid from a 55 Chevy car, which was pretty good. This one needs a little bit of repair, but it's also very solid. So if I want to go to a Pontiac deck lid, I got it. Also, I got a set of front fenders here, which are 55, but the sheet metal is the same as a 6, basically. But it doesn't have all the rust holes that I have in my fenders. So these fenders will just basically clean up, go on my car, and like I said, that's the 55 brow. So I'm looking forward to doing that. Get some better sheet metal in front of the Pontiac. So I just hung the fenders that I got from the gentleman there, and hood and stuff that was in better condition on the 56 Pontiac. These are in better condition compared to the same one here. And you can see that This one's missing a lot of metal, a lot of the structure here. I'm not actually using a lot of the original structure on the car. I'm just kind of hanging the sheet metal. But there's a lot less repair on these fenders. There's a little bit of a problem here, but I'm going to use part of this fender and this fender to make a better one. Put the headlight bucket into. And this one also, as a benefit, doesn't have the holes for the trim. I'm not putting the trim on the side of this car, so it's less work to fill in all these holes. These holes here. And if you look also with the trim, it created a rust patch here on this fender lip. I don't have that rust repair. I still have the same rust repair in the top. But other than that, this will be a better set of fenders. And the guy wanted to cut these fenders up to fix a Chevy. So the deal was I had to bring him back these panels off the old fenders so that he can do a repair. And I get to keep what's left for patching up these fenders. So that's all that's really happened to the Gasser today. I do have a steering box I got to work on. 54 actually goes all the way back to 49, sort of truck box. 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, and early model 55 series. But the pitman arm on this one doesn't have the ball built in, so this is a 54, could be 53 and 55 first series. This shaft is part of the steering column. This is going to not be integrated into the car. I want to cut this shaft down. I want to actually take this piece, I'm going to put it in the lathe and cut it down to about here and make a seal, because there's nothing to seal up the end here, and then put on a steering swivel and then to connect that to the steering column that I have. Then this will bolt up to the frame quite nicely, or chassis on the car there. So it's going to be a side steer setup on the Gasser, so that's what I'm hoping to go with. So upcoming video on modifying this box for sure. Just that's sort of an update on where I'm at with this 56 Pontiac Gasser. If you've noticed, these are 55 parts, the hood, the scripting here. 56 has a more of a scripted style word Pontiac, but I have the 56 trim here. The hood emblem is going to be removed, the ornament for the Gasser. So I just want to have the two stripes, and I may keep this word Pontiac. Anyway, that's where I'm at with this. So unfortunately I didn't get much done this summer, but I got to work on my truck, and so we've got to get on this Gasser to get the floor in and things. So looking forward to it. So anyway, until next time. Anyway, if you like these videos, please subscribe, hit that like button, ring that bell for notifications. Have yourself a great day. See you next time. And remember, community, not competition.